Okay, guys. So in today's session, I would like to discuss about the prerequisite for this training. Okay. First of all, let me give you the duration and timing details. The timing is 8 o'clock India time, 8 to 9, daily 1 hour session we will do Monday to Friday. So 8 a.m. India time is 10:30 p.m. those who are in EST, Eastern time zone. Um, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. daily 1 hour session we will do. Daily means Monday to Friday. So those who are in US, it is gonna be um, Sunday to Thursday. Okay. Now it's gonna take 30 sessions to finish all the topics. Okay. Now the prerequisite for this training, who can learn this technology? So anyone who has a basic computer knowledge will be able to learn this technology. Or if you have any prior knowledge on SCCM or Active Directory or server administration, or DNS, DHCP, then it will be little more easier to understand this technology. But even if you don't have that knowledge, if you are a fresher, but you have basic computer knowledge, then that is also okay because this one is pretty simple and straightforward. Everything is configured and defined by Microsoft. You just have to take the subscription and then start working on it. Okay. Now, so the next thing is you have to have um, a device, a laptop or a desktop, and that device needs to have the minimum configuration is you need to have minimum um, 4-core processor. Okay, how will you check? Let me share my screen with you guys so that you will get proper understanding. I hope you guys can see my screen now. So you need to have a laptop or a desktop, okay? Because we need to set up the Intune lab on your computer. So on your laptop or desktop, you have to search system information. System information. As you see, I'm searching system information. And it's gonna give us the information whether it is Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So mine is Windows 11 computer. Okay. So if you have Windows 10 or Windows 11, anything will work, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now processor, I have 8 logical processor. For you, minimum requirement is 4 logical processor. Okay, that will work. 4 logical processor. Okay, that's the minimum requirement. You need to have um, 32 GB RAM. I mean, sorry, mine is 32 GB RAM, but you need to have minimum 6 GB RAM. Minimum configuration 6 GB RAM. Okay, so the processor minimum 4 core processor and RAM minimum 6 GB RAM. Okay, and the next thing is you have to have minimum um, 100 gigabyte free space. 100 gigabyte free space, either in C drive or D drive, any drive of your choice. Okay. So mine does not have that. If I don't have, what I will do some cleanup task. I will delete some junk files or temporary files or unwanted files so that I can have more space. So similarly, you can also do that in the files which you can delete. You can delete it. If you already have, minimum 100 gigabyte free space, then it's okay. So you have to have these three requirement. Okay, so notepad. So minimum configuration. First is 4 core processor. Okay, Windows 10 or 11 computer. Okay, second, quad core processor. Quad means 4 core processor. Then point number 3 is minimum 6 GB RAM you need to have. And point number 4 is you need to have minimum 100 GB free disk space. So these are the minimum configuration. Okay, these are the minimum configuration which you need. Also, you need to have a mobile phone, either Android or iOS. Okay, and a credit card. So you have to have these 3 things. First, minimum configuration. Second, a mobile phone, either Android or iOS. And the third thing is you need to have a credit card. So these things are needed for you to create your Intune subscription and the lab environment. Anyone who does not have this configuration, let me know. Does everyone have this configuration? Ashrita, Sandeep, Nirosh.
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
I have to free up some space, or I want to just lose another laptop.
Okay. So if you, how much space is there right now?
40.
40. 40 is less actually. You need to have minimum 80 gigabyte. Okay. So you
Okay.
can
Yeah.
free up some
Okay.
space, then you can build a new virtual machine on that one. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, I have one small question.
Mm.
I have a primary memory and secondary memory. Uh, the SSD is 100 GB, HDD is I have 1 TB. Can I make HDD as a primary memory to run the VM?
SSD, you would like to run VM on SSD, right?
No, 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 no. SSDs right now is a primary memory. It's only 100 GB. So because all the applications are running in primary
How
memory,
much free space is there in C drive?
very less. Because I have the desktop that is very less. I have hard disk secondary memory that I have enough
Secondary
space.
memory. Okay, so but actually on hard disk it runs slow. SSD it's faster than HD.
Okay, then I have a laptop. I'll use that one.
Yeah, so better you use the laptop which has SSD. You know,
Okay, sure,
configure
sure.
virtual machine on SSD so it will be faster. You can do it on HDD as well, but you know it will be little slow.
Okay, no, last time I tried to do that, but
Mm.
no, no, like it was trying to consume the primary memory space because very less memory on primary. It was 20 GB was so later it was kind of the entire system was corrupted. So that's why I just removed everything. I'm
Mm.
using laptop now.
Okay, so better use a different lab one. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So that's the minimum requirement you need to have. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to build a virtual machine. Okay. We will MS Paint. No, not this one. Whiteboard. Let me open whiteboard. Okay, so basically what is supposed to be done is we will have a virtual machine. So suppose this is your laptop, right? This is your laptop. Okay. On this laptop, the minimum configuration is already there, like minimum 6 GB RAM, quad-core processor, and 100 GB hard disk. So we will create one virtual machine inside this laptop. So we will create VM, virtual machine. Okay. Like a Windows 10 or Windows 11, that virtual machine. Plus, we will have a mobile phone, Android or iOS mobile phone, right? This is Android, either it is Android or iOS. Okay. Now, both of them we will enroll to Intune. We will do what? Enrollment of these devices. We will enroll, okay, these devices into Intune. So suppose this is your Intune tenant. So we will enroll this device plus this device into Intune, so that we can send policies and applications and configuration to the devices. Okay, that's the minimum requirement. So what you have to do, guys, today you need to download the prerequisite. Everyone, you have to download what? Oracle Virtual Box. That's the first thing you have to do that. Okay, download Oracle Virtual Box. Second, you need to download Windows 10 ISO image file. Okay, these two things you have to download today and keep it ready so that tomorrow when we meet, we will um, start the lab setup process. Okay. Okay, so what you have to do, you need to download Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so let's go to Google. In Google, we will type in download Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, and then we'll choose this one, download Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so the Windows host, let me copy that Windows host, copy the link. So you have to download this one. I will send this to you on the chat window. So this is the first, this is the one which you have to download. The second thing is you need to download Windows 10 ISO image file. So I'm gonna give you that file location as well. So download Windows 10 ISO file. Okay. So you need to click on this one, the first link which says download Windows 10 disk image. Okay. And then inside this, you have to click on this one, download now. Okay, this one. So download now. When you click on download now, it's gonna download this one. So let me give you this link as well. Okay. So it will download what? It will download the media creation tool. This is the one, media creation tool. So you need to click on this media creation tool and click on yes. So media creation tool will launch and then it is going to ask you some details before it downloads the file. Okay, so here we have to click on accept. Okay, now you have two options: upgrade this PC or create a media tool. So we will choose this option, create installation media, and then next. And then Windows 10, and we need to uncheck this box. We don't need to check this box. Okay, next. And then ISO file. Okay, ISO file we need, and next. It's gonna ask you the location. Where will you save this one? So you can save it anywhere. Let's keep it in download folder and then click on save. Okay. I am not going to click on save because I have already downloaded it, but you have to follow these steps to download it. Okay. So I'm going to close this. So there are two things which are required. Download this one. So I'm going to send these two links on chat window so that you do it today itself. Keep it ready before we meet tomorrow, guys. Okay. So I'm going to send that to you on the chat window, both of them. You copy and put it on the notepad somewhere so that you can download them. Okay, today itself, so that we will start doing the setup file tomorrow. Did you guys receive the text?
Yes.
Okay, so download them, and tomorrow you don't have to install anything. You just download and keep it ready. Now, I want you guys to have everything on personal computer. Don't do it anything on office computer, or you know, um, because in office computer, most of the things are blocked. So, and it could be a compliance issue. So better you do it on your personal machine. Okay, I hope everybody is using your personal computer. Any question in this one so far?
No. Good.
Can anyone share your screen now? Nirosh or um, Ashrita? Nirosh, can you share?
Can I share mine?
Yes, share your screen, Sandeep. You joined from two different devices.
Yeah, one is personal, one is office one.
Okay, so but where will you download?
On personal machine.
Okay, right. The machine
I
which you
did
have shared.
already actually last time. I think overall want to do, yeah, I did extract this ISO, and I already installed the Oracle box as well.
You already have it in this machine?
Yeah, yeah, I have installed. I have
Okay.
this Windows is ready.
Okay, so you already have it. Okay, fine.
Right.
So, but you don't have to build any machine because I will show you the steps how to build a machine.
Sure, sure, sure. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So guys, you have to download this application, Oracle VirtualBox, and then Windows 10. Anybody else who has not downloaded yet? Ashrita, can you share your screen?
Yeah, just a minute.
Hmm. On the top right hand side, next to leave button, you have share option.
Yeah.
Okay, Ashrita, I can see your screen now.
Yeah.
So those two things you have to download. So go to the chat window. Yeah, click on that. Uh, so first thing, and click on the second one as well. Very good. So let's download the first one first. I think you have downloaded the first one. Is that downloaded already?
Yeah.
Okay, Oracle VirtualBox is downloaded. Now let's click on the download now, the Windows 10 ISO image file. Download now. Hmm. Click on media creation tool. except second option. Next, uncheck the box. Next, ISO. Next, and choose any location of your choice. Yeah, click on save. Okay, so this is gonna download Windows 10 file, but it's gonna take depends on your computer's internet connection. It's gonna take 10-15 minutes maximum to download because this is I think 5 GB file. That's a big file.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's install Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. Yeah. You need to click on yes. Yeah. Okay. So if you are getting this prerequisite pop-up that you need C++ prerequisite, so you need to download and install that first. Okay. So let's click on OK. Click on finish. Now click OK. Open google.com in the browser. And type in download Visual C++ redistributable. Yeah, the first one. Click on the latest supported Visual C++. So this is only for, this prerequisite is not for everyone. You know, if you are getting prerequisite pop-up, then only you have to do that. Otherwise, you don't have to do that. Okay. Now click on the one which says Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019. Yes, click on that. Now scroll down. Yeah, 64 X64 one. Yeah, that one. Third one. Yes. So this is the prerequisite we are downloading. This one is a prerequisite for Oracle VirtualBox.
It's gonna take a little bit time, I guess.
Because why it is taking time? Because this media creation tool is downloading. Do you
Yeah.
have option to pause that one? No,
I,
not that one. No, no, no. Down at the bottom, you have the media creation tool already.
mm,
Down at the bottom. Do you have pause option?
no.
No? Okay. Okay, so it's almost there. Let's wait for some time. Okay, that got downloaded. The VC++. Let's click on that. That's a prerequisite for Oracle VirtualBox. Check the box. I agree and install. Yes.
Should I
Close it.
restart?
No, close it.
Okay.
Now install the Oracle VirtualBox. It will not give you any pop-up now. I accept. Next, and install.
Is this the one?
Yeah, that's the one which we have to install. Okay. So now tomorrow when we meet, we will build our Windows 10 machine because the Windows 10 ISO is still getting downloaded. Can you take a look on the other? No, not that one. Down at the bottom, it is the media creation tool. Yeah. Oh, it's done. Okay, good. So we can build the machine today itself. Now, finish. Yeah. So, so guys, the process was to download Oracle VirtualBox. That is a tool which will help us to build a new Windows 10 machine because we don't want to play around with the laptop. Rather, we will create a new Windows 10 machine and then we will enroll that device to Intune. And then we will be sending some applications and policies and everything. Now, who is on the same page or you guys would like to do it later on? Nirosh or
Uh,
yeah,
Mine's only at 6% downloading Windows,
okay. Sandeep,
but
you
it's okay.
already have it. Yeah,
I can watch the video.
okay.
And
Mayuri,
follow. Yeah.
are you doing side by side or you will do it later on?
I'm doing side by side.
Okay, you are on the same page, Mayuri.
Yes.
Okay. Then Venkat, what is your status?
I will do it on later, Kashyap.
Okay.
But I don't
Noor,
have a laptop right now.
you don't have a laptop?
I will,
But right now,
Okay.
I will
Noor
do it later.
Alam,
I will do it later.
sorry?
I will do it later.
Okay, you will do it later on. Okay, fine. So let's build a new machine today. We will start the process and then we will meet tomorrow. Okay, so um, let's open system information of your computer. Search system information. That's Windows 11. Okay, good. 8 logical processor. That is also fine. Then below you have 8 GB RAM. This is also okay. Now show me the hard disk size. You have 15 GB in C drive. That is not sufficient. But D drive, you have 365 GB free space. Okay. Let's right click on start and then run and type in df. Okay, you have already DFR GUI. Click on OK. Is it SSD? Okay, both of them are SSD. Very good. Close it. So what is our plan? The plan is we will build a new Windows 10 machine. Okay, so in order to create a new Windows 10 machine, we have to open Oracle VirtualBox. So I think that's already open down at the bottom. Yeah, click on that. Maximize this screen. Okay, so we are going to build a new Windows 10 machine. So let's click on new on the top. And now what will be the name of that device? You can name anything of your of your choice, but I would suggest you type in WINVM001, capital letter.
Yeah.
WINVM001. So WIN means Windows, VM means virtual machine, 001. Okay. Now folder, it's using C drive, right? We cannot use
Yes.
C drive because you have less free space there, right? So let's choose other and choose D drive. Now here you create a folder. Now folder name WINVM001. Select that folder. Okay. Now ISO image, we will add it later on.
Okay.
Microsoft Windows is fine. Windows 10 is fine. Okay. Everything is default. Let's go next. Now, how much memory and processor you would like to give it to this machine? So let's give 4 GB memory. So 4097. Actually, 4096 is 4 GB, but we will give one more 1 MB. Type delete 2048.
Yeah.
And type in 4097. This is like 4 GB memory. Okay. RAM, we are giving 4 GB. It's like we are building a new machine. We are assembling a new machine. We are giving processor, we are giving hard disk, we are giving, RAM. Okay. Now, processor, let's give 2 processor, minimum 2 processor. Very good. Next. Now hard disk size, let's give 80 GB, 80 instead of 50. Type in 80 GB. Okay, let's go next and finish. Perfect. Now we have given the hardware details. Now we also need to do some more settings here. Let's click on setting on the top. Now you need to scroll down a little bit at the right hand side. You have, yes, yes. No, 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 no. Go up, 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 up. Click on expert at the left hand side. You have expert option. Now scroll down at the right hand side. Yeah, wait. Up, up, up. Yeah. Now you have TPM none. TPM none is there. Let's change that to version 2.0. TPM is what? It's a chip which helps you to encrypt the hard disk of the device, to enable the bit locker. Okay, TPM version 2.0. Then you have enable EFI. Check that box. And scroll down a little bit. And choose this enable secure boot. Okay.
Yeah.
Now click on OK. Now you have storage section. There are various sections here: general, system, display, storage. Now under storage, there are two ports: SATA port 1 and SATA port 0.
Mhm.
So now SATA port 1 is empty. Let's click on empty and click on choose a disk file, the file which you have downloaded from internet in the download folder. Windows
This one?
ISO. Yeah, that's the one. Click on that and then click on open. Okay, you are all set now. You just
Yeah.
have to power on the machine. But wait a minute. When you power on, what will happen? A new window will come.
Okay.
New window will come and it will say press any key to start the installation, something like that. So when
Mhm.
it comes, you just have to click, you need to click on that black window. You need to click inside the black window and press any key on the keyboard. And that you have to do it within, few seconds, like within 1 second or within 2 seconds.
Okay.
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 Let's click on start. You have to be quick now. A new window will come. Let's wait for new window to come. No, not that one. Ah, now it will say press any key, then you have to click on the black window. Yeah, click on the black window and press any key. Click on the black window and press any key. Very good. Okay, close this notification area, the red notification one, red cross mark.
This one?
Yes, yes. Yeah, okay. Now we would like to build a new machine. The language will be English. Let's go English. Next,
Mhm.
next. Install now. I do not have a product key. Click. No, no, no. Don't type in. Below you have that option to click.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry.
Now there are various options here. We need to choose
Mhm.
Windows 10 Pro. Let's choose Windows 10 Pro. Next. Accept the license terms and condition. Next. Choose the second option, custom. Next. Okay, so now this process will take 10-15 minutes maximum, and then the machine will be ready. It will, ask you various options. Once the machine is ready, you need to take a snapshot. Do you know
Okay.
how to take a snapshot
Yeah. Yeah.
on Oracle VirtualBox?
Not on Oracle VirtualBox.
Then how, on which one you
You're asking for normal snapshot.
snapshot? Not, yeah, I'll show you how to take snapshot. A snapshot is to capture the image of the machine. So there are three dots. Click on the three dots on the Oracle VirtualBox. Minimize this one. Minimize this machine, the new machine which is building. Yeah, there are three dots in front of the name of the machine. Yeah, click on that and then click on snapshot.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and then you
Yeah.
have, and don't take now, but you have to take
Okay.
it when when the machine is ready, when it will
Okay.
ask you to choose language and all, then you have to take that snapshot. Okay. So you need to
Okay.
click on what? Take. Click on take. And then you can type in blank machine. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Blank machine and click on OK. Not now, but you have to
Yeah.
do
Yeah.
it on a later stage.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go back to the machine. Down at the bottom. Click on that. Okay, so 85% complete. Okay, good. It's moving
Mhm.
faster. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so this is gonna take some time and then the
Okay.
machine will be ready. Then you need to take snapshot. That's your task.
Okay. Okay.
Everyone build a machine as I showed you guys. You have to enable the TPM 2.0, enable EFI and then enable secure boot and build the machine and then take snapshot. Everyone. Clear?
Okay.
Yep,
Yes.
got it.
Okay, so make this happen. Keep it ready before we meet tomorrow so that we can start setting up our lab tomorrow. Okay.
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 I will also send you the recording. I will also create a WhatsApp group today and then add you guys into that WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
So
Sounds
you
great.
just you let me know if you are interested to continue from tomorrow. I will add you to the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yep.
Sir, I got an option here, like once it is loaded, like is it a personal use for organization use? It's for personal use, right?
No, organizational use.
Okay. Okay.
Have you taken the snapshot already?
No, I didn't. Just
No, no.
Not it. Like
Sandeep.
once it is completely set up, like once it is window came up, later I should take a snapshot,
Yes.
right? Okay. Okay. It's asking to sign in with the worker school account.
Take snapshot now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, here you click on yes, Sritha. Click on yes. Yes. Skip. Setup for an organization. Next. Now take a snapshot. Take blank machine. Click OK. So we are capturing the image of this machine now, so that next time, I mean, in future, if you have to come back to this stage, we can come back to this stage anytime in the future. Okay.
Okay.
The snapshot is ready. Now you can power off that machine. Right click on this machine and power off. Stop. Power off. Power off. Okay.
Yeah.
Any question before we wrap it up, guys?
No questions.
So good.
Sir, I have one. Like while I configuring, I was unable to give 4 GB RAM. I have given 3.5 GB. It was it was giving warning when I was trying to give 4 GB. Is that okay if I give
That's
3.5
okay.
GB? Yeah.
That's
Okay.
okay. Okay, guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Now, those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, you need to send me a hi message on WhatsApp stating that you are interested to continue from tomorrow. I'll let you know the enrollment and payment details, guys.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye now.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.